Welcome to the ContentRyte official demo. In this session, you will discover how to get secure high-speed web hosting from HostLegends to power your content projects if you don't have a WordPress website for you and are looking for domain and hosting. Select HostLegends to either buy or access your hosting account by clicking the one-click login. For all ContentRyte bundle buyers, hosting for 1 year is included in your price, and you can host a lot of websites and domains within your hosting. On your right, you will see 2 buttons here. Available in your plan means you have the hosting included with your purchase for free, else you will see the button to buy HostLegends hosting for yourself. Clicking on the one-click login will automatically take you to your HostLegends dashboard. After you log into your HostLegends dashboard, click Activate Now to enable your hosting service. As you can see here, your hosting is pending activation because it requires a primary domain name to be attached to your hosting services so that DNS could work. To activate your web hosting package, you just need to add any domain name to your service. Click Add Primary Domain to connect your website address. Click the domain field to enter your website name. You can enter any domain name you own here. Click Add Domain to complete your domain setup. Now you can see and confirm your web hosting service is active and ready to use. This is your web hosting server login URL to access your control panel. And here are the name server settings for your domain configurations. You don't need to manually type ID and password to log into your web hosting plus panel. You can simply click Login to Server to manage your hosting environment. Click Accept All Cookies to continue to your dashboard. Select Files to manage your website files and content. Select Databases to create and manage your site data. Here you can add database to create a new database. Click here to configure your database settings. Click phmyadmin to access your database management tool. Select Websites and Domains to view all your sites. Select Plesk Apps to browse available applications for installation. Select Hosting and DNS to manage domain settings. Select Dashboard to return to your main overview. Select WordPress to manage your WordPress installation. Click the New Password field to set a secure password. Select Dashboard to navigate back to your main screen. Click WordPress Management to access advanced WordPress settings. Click File Manager to browse and edit your files. Select Plugins to manage installed and new plugins. Click Install to add a new plugin. Click Upload Plugin to install from a file. You can upload the downloaded plugin file from your ContentRyte dashboard to upload it here, and then wait while the Lumen AI Writer plugin installs to your site. The Lumen AI Writer plugin has been successfully installed. Select Themes to customize your website's appearance. Click Install to add a new theme. Here on this text field, you can search for a suitable WordPress theme from millions of themes from the WordPress repository, all free to install. Just write blog as a keyword and select the layout you like. Hit Install to add your selected theme. Now, one of the most popular and beautiful WordPress theme, very lightweight, is Astra, so let's search for it here. Click Install to apply your chosen theme. Look at the number of installations this one theme has. Now you know all the basics of doing things around your web hosting dashboard powered by Plesk Panel, and you can browse more options to explore your web hosting package. For example, select Statistics to monitor your website's performance data. Select Statistics to view traffic and usage reports. View your disk space usage, 50 GB available. Check your traffic allowance. Unlimited bandwidth is included for your ContentRyte hosting package. Select WordPress to access WordPress-specific features. If you have multiple WordPress sites installed and configured, you will see all your WordPress sites here, and you can also manage security for your sites to review and enhance site protection. Click Security to manage your security settings. Filter security issues to view active vulnerabilities. Monitor all your security hacks, patches, and updates regarding your websites here, and take actions right from your dashboard to keep your website safe. Now click on Billing tab to manage your hosting invoices and payment methods. Now you have a good basic overview of your hosting dashboard, and your Plesk panel basics are covered to get you started. Right from your dashboard, you can also register a new domain or transfer one to purchase a new web address. Enter your domain name ideas here and click Search to check domain availability. Click Add to Cart to select your desired domain. Click Checkout to proceed to payment. Choose DNS Management to configure domain settings. Choose DNS Management to manage name servers and records. Click Continue to proceed with your order. Click Checkout to finalize your purchase. Agree to the terms of service and click Complete Order. So that's how you can order new services from your HostLegends dashboard. It's a complete web hosting services dashboard for shared hosting, cloud hosting, VPS, domains, SSL services, and a lot more. Plus, you can also go to our marketplace to browse hosting plans and add-ons. If you are looking for cPanel-based shared hosting, click here and check the plans. Click Explore to learn more about this hosting type and check the plan details to purchase it. You can browse various services we offer here and choose any services, order them, and your HostLegends dashboard will reflect all of them into your same hosting panel. If you are interested in ordering VPS hosting, we have some pretty solid VPS hosting options for you. VPS offers you more control, more powerful, faster, and efficient hosting. Plus, you don't share server with others and get full root access to you. You can also order SSL certificates to secure your site with encryption. We do offer managed WordPress hosting as well to view specialized WordPress plans. Click Explore to see plan details and pricing. While ordering a new domain, you can also click to add hosting to your order if needed. Explore the plans and options you like and click Order Now from here to add it alongside your regular checkout in the cart. Select your services to view all active hosting accounts. Click VPS instances to manage your virtual private servers. On your right, you can see various VPS server plan options, and below that, you can see the marketplace to browse additional services and upgrades. Now, last but not least, let me also show you the billing area console. Just click Login to Client area to access your account dashboard. This is your billing dashboard for HostLegends. You can view your active services here. Click to view details of your active service. From your billing dashboard, you can click here to proceed to your Plesk login, but your email must be verified for this to work. Thank you for watching this video, and by now you already know how to get a perfect hosting package for your high-income authority sites.